Hi there, Jesse Kurtz in the Mountain West Network studio with news that New Mexico has swept the Mountain West Women's Soccer Player of the Week Awards for October 13th. The Offensive Player of the Week is Emily Chavez. The redshirt freshman scored 2 game-winning goals to lead New Mexico to a pair of 1-0 road wins on the weekend. The first game winner came on Friday night on a header off a corner kick to lift the Lobos past UNLV. The second game winner came on Sunday in Reno. Chavez scored the unassisted goal in the 61st minute to lead the Lobos past Nevada. The Defensive Player of the Week is Lobos goalkeeper Cassie Ulrich. The junior stopped all 8 shots she faced to record back-to-back shutout wins over UNLV and Nevada. Ulrich has not allowed a goal in her last 326 minutes and 10 seconds of action. The Lobos are back home in Albuquerque this week to host Boise State on Friday night and Utah State on Sunday. From the Mountain West Network studio, I'm Jesse Kurtz.